Sure, who remembers the old ghost, eh? Shame. But anyway, so just a quick update. I know everyone's waiting to see the final Unimog video. We're pretty much going to be, I've got a lot of old videos I need to load up first. So tonight's video is a compilation of a bunch of old footage, even some photos and stuff, because we've been so busy I haven't had time to film a lot. So there's going to be a lot of footage just to get you up to date, because behind that door over there is an assembled Unimog. And I want to show you guys what she looks like when she's driving, complete, running and everything. But I'm also trying to hide it from the client, hide it so that he can at least have some level of a surprise when he gets the truck. But man, it's not an easy guy to hide stuff from, I can tell you that much for free. But yes, so like I say, tonight's video is pretty much going to be just a gathering of some old stuff, so that when I show you the final video of the truck running, driving, complete, you at least know I did promise some electrical videos, but electrical's just been so insane. We haven't had time to film a lot of it. It's been insane, for lack of a better word. So yeah, enjoy. Like I say, please bear in mind, these are old videos you're watching. They're not always going to follow on. Some of them might be before or after, but check it out, enjoy it, let us know. And in the next couple of days, you'll get the final video of the Unimog, and you'll get to see her complete, running, driving, ready to rock and roll. And don't forget, there's the swamp donkey, eh? I've still got her. So if you want to save her, I think we need like 20 people. I'll really upset Arno. Like, help me to upset Arno to force him to help me to put the swamp donkey on the road. See if you can figure that one out. But anyway, chat to you guys later. Enjoy tonight's video.
No, wait now, man.
Okay, so we're busy doing the wiring for the Unimog, testing the body relay, because this thing needs to go to, if I understand the lingo correctly of these intelligent people, it needs to convert to 24 volts to start the truck, and then it needs to jump back to 12 volts to run all the gauges, correct?
Correct.
So yeah, so this is going through the old harness, getting everything ready to transfer it over to the new harness, which is on the most expensive workshop table we have. And then over here we'll get through this crow's nest this week and keep you posted. Well, as you can see, Arno's busy with the wiring. So, damn crow's nest in here. How the hell he knows what's going on, I don't know. But anyway. This is my interior, guys. Ernest. What's his name again?
Anthony.
Anthony. You know, we never see Anthony ever. We always just see Ernest, you know. Got to. So busy measuring everything. Anthony does all the work though. Check now, you clean the floor, but then one of you walk on it.
Mate.
Action. So Mosi, how's it going with the wiring, my bro?
It's going not too bad. We're busy with the dash panel wiring, and then we're doing the headlight wiring. So yeah.
You're winning.
Yeah, we're winning always.
How can you be even having a fight with no coffee, bro? We need
Fight.
coffee. No, you can't win if you don't have coffee. So we need coffee.
We need alcohol, not fucking coffee.
We'll have to edit that out.
No.
Check it out, the Unimog. As you can see, the grill is about to get a final coat. All the wiring is done. It's just neatening everything up. The power steering and everything is in. The reservoirs are in for the clutch and brake and master. Door handles, door locks, windows are in. Steps are in. Interior guys have done most of the carpets here. We're just waiting for the backboard tomorrow. That's there. We've got the new cluster panel is here with the 2 single clusters. That's busy going in. Yeah, waiting for the boots to come in there. Glove box is sorted out. So as you can see, the Unimog is taking shape. We've had to go back to single seats instead of double seats. So that allows us to have a center console again. So there's going to be a single seat option now again. That took a little bit extra time to make that again. But as you can see, that's the single cluster that's about to be painted, just making sure all the holes are in. Steering wheel and everything is mocked up in its final position now. Let's just see if we can try a smaller wheel, see how that works. But yes, otherwise you can have an idea that that's going to kind of be there, like that there. Oh no, we'll have a heart attack. Oh. Well, that didn't go according to fucking plan. Sorry, Arno. Wasn't me. Anyway, load bed is done. All the lights are done. I don't want to connect the batteries and burn something out, but all the lights are on, connected. Everything's done. Tomorrow we're going to put the camera in. And then on Thursday she's heading off to get the stacks and the fuel tank put in. Now we leave the windscreen out because it's easier to work in the bonnet through the cab. This thing's so damn high, my back is sore already. Final bolts are here ready to go in to put the fenders back on. Still now I have to just sort out the damn mirrors. They're about to go on as well. So probably gonna put these bastards up here somewhere. Some nice black mirrors. And we'll see what else. Alright, I'm not sure when this video is going out because we've been so busy with the truck, but I did promise to show you the guys when she was electrified. So all her lights are working now.